Hello. In this lesson we will learn how to pronounce and use İyi Akşamlar expression in Turkish. So let's start. İyi akşamlar. İyi akşamlar. İyi akşamlar. Now, İyi akşamlar is an expression that is mostly used in the evening time. So if you are meeting or leaving a person in the evening time, you can use İyi akşamlar. Note also that the literal meaning of İyi akşamlar is good evenings, and therefore we have a plural ending at the end of the word akşam. However, this just means nothing extra. Therefore, the meaning of İyi akşamlar is just good evening. Let's see some other uses of the expression. İyi akşamlar Ahmet. İyi akşamlar Ahmet. İyi akşamlar Ahmet. İyi akşamlar arkadaşlar. İyi akşamlar arkadaşlar. İyi akşamlar arkadaşlar. Herkese iyi akşamlar. Herkese iyi akşamlar. Herkese iyi akşamlar. İyi akşamlar. Nasılsınız? İyi akşamlar. Nasılsınız? İyi akşamlar. Nasılsınız? If you liked this video and learned something new, please subscribe to my channel to watch more lessons on how to learn Turkish the easy way. Also, if you think this video can benefit somebody else, please share it with others because sharing is nice, sharing is helpful. Last, if you have any comment or request, please provide your feedback in the comment section below and I'll do my best to respond as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lessons.